Hello, friends. I invite you in to sit down and have a cup of hot cocoa with me. Today, we're going to be doing a whole house clean. I started out in the kitchen, cleaning up the kitchen table. This area had been a disaster for quite some time, and I knew it needed to be cleaned up. I feel like kitchen tables can just be a catch-all for everything and anything in the house. Right now, you see me cleaning up my infusion supplies from the night before. Due to my disability, common variable immune deficiency disorder, I have to infuse human plasma every week in order to keep my immune levels high. I insert 4 needles into my stomach and then put the syringe into a special machine, which enables it to deliver the plasma into my body. The whole process takes about 2 hours, and usually I'm too tired after it's done to do any cleaning, so I'm going to pick up the remnants of my treatment from last night. This area was packed with a lot of different things: paperwork, items from my fiance's job, as well as tools and other items that we use around the farm. We're having company over for Christmas Eve and Christmas, so I needed to make sure that this area was clean so that when people come over for dinner, we actually have a place to eat. My kitchen really didn't need too much cleaning, but the area needed to be spruced up a bit, so I decided to get out the old spick and span and wipe down the counters. I do have a dishwasher, but some of the items can't be used in the dishwasher, so I'm cleaning up those dishes here in the sink. Most of the time I just use hot water and regular Dawn dish soap, but if the dishes are really gross, sometimes I will use a small cap of bleach. I try to clean up my kitchen a little bit at a time every single day so it doesn't get too messy. If I let it go for too long, I just become very overwhelmed, and with my disability, it's not easy to do major cleans every single day. So I just do what I can to pick up here and there as I go about my day. I'm going to use a little bit of carpet powder here to freshen up the kitchen. This carpet powder smelled so good. It was Hawaiian scented and made by Arm & Hammer. I believe you can pick it up at the Dollar Tree. It made my entire kitchen smell like a tropical paradise. And like I said before, I don't sweep every day, but it needed to be done here. Now my living room was a bit of a different story. It kind of had stuff thrown all over the place, and I was not happy about it. We really need the space for the company we're having over in a couple of days, so it's time to spruce it up. I always make sure to wipe down the remotes because you never know what kind of germs are on them or what kind of sticky substances like pop have gotten on them since our last football game. As always, I'm using a mixture of fabric softener and water on my couch in order to clean it. This area gets so much dog and cat hair because I let my animals up on the furniture. And they're my family, so why wouldn't I? Now, the couch needed to be swept behind, but I do not like moving the couch on my own. It's really heavy, and I have difficulty moving heavy things by myself. And you're going to see the result of that in a couple of minutes. Watch me knock over this cup of coffee as I'm trying to get behind the couch. I also fell down while trying to clean this up. Note to self, if someone's not here to help me, don't try to move the couch on your own. I'm going to use the same carpet powder here as I used in the kitchen in order to make the room smell fresh and clean. And now on to my bathroom. Since company is coming over, I really wanted this space to be fresh and clean. It really wasn't too bad in here, but there was a lot of just soap residue on the sink and things like that. And I really wanted people to know that when they come over to my house, they're in a clean space. Bonus points for me for remembering to wipe down the bottom of the toilet as well. Well, my whole house is clean and looking very nice. I actually regretted cleaning every room today. It was a little bit too much for me, and I was overtired the next day. I think the next time I do a whole house clean, I'm going to spread it out throughout the week instead of trying to fit it in all in one period because it made me way too tired. Living with chronic fatigue as I do, I really have to learn to pace myself and live slowly in order to live a more healthy life for myself, my mind, and my body. Looks like the only thing left to do is grab a cup of hot cocoa and curl up with a good book. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I'll see y'all next time.